This classic federal house surprises you with its pops of color, fresh ideas, and charm. It is a family-friendly home on a tree-lined street in a small Northern California town. On the outside, the addition of new glossy blue shutters is a prelude to its revised, happy interiors. The living room was changed dramatically into a cozy living library with a new fireplace facade, built-in bookcases, and a deep blue grass cloth, adding a giant dose of color. In the entry, a classic outdated tile was replaced and enhanced with a new bold, geometric, handmade, and caustic concrete tile. The wall color was subtly changed to enhance woodwork and artwork. The dining room became playful with a George Washington toile print on the draperies and an unexpected lacquered dining table. Large plaid wing chairs mixed with shiny red metal Windsor chairs, a humorous play on classic federal style. The family now lives and entertains in this kitchen. An important and practical key element of our design was to add a custom banquette within an existing nook alcove. We did the unexpected and covered its upholstered back in royal navy suede with pewter nail head trim, although its bottom seats are a textured indoor-outdoor fabric for durability. The adjoining family room features a custom down-filled sectional upholstered in white denim that can be bleached like your favorite summer jeans. A lovely, fanciful crewel fabric of prancing birds highlights the windows. The small office became highly functional with the addition of a very large two-sided custom desk designed to allow for at least 2 workers in the same space. It is in constant use for work and school projects and functions as command central for the home. A boring laundry room was simply transformed with more cabinetry, patriotic tile, lighting, and wallpaper. A bright blue Dutch door and ticking stripe window shade add a little drama and detail. Upstairs, this lovely bedroom has a modern version of an antique pencil post bed. The inviting setting with layers of plaid and denim enhance the coziness of the sleeping chamber. Drapery bed panels reminiscent of the past provide a visual frame for a captivating vintage needlepoint cat sampler. An adjoining Jack and Jill bath features a ball and clawfoot tub and industrial wall mount sink for 2. For our second bedroom, we selected a bright royal blue bed. It's an exaggerated current representation of an early American ball top or low post bed. A sentimental hand-knotted rug features a nautical design of boats and fish. We've used various vintage flags and political banners in our upstairs landing. These reproduction Americana elements line the halls, enhancing and completing the apparent, happy, playful federal theme. Our third bedroom has a fully upholstered, low-back king bed so it blocks the light from the windows as little as possible. Drapes coordinate with the decor, and artwork consisting of family mementos line the walls with personal, meaningful keepsakes. In the adjoining bathroom, a humorous, playful wallpaper was added for style and personality. The master bedroom was turned into an inviting cocoon by using deep colors of textural surfaces. Rich navies and periwinkle blues contrast with crisp whites to create a clean, dramatic, inviting environment to sleep and lounge. Double-sided draperies and deep chambray lined with a periwinkle stripe create a tailored, interesting detail. In the master bath, there was originally very limited storage and no usable counter space. Our project remodel solved this problem with the addition of highly functional built-ins, lighting, and wall coverings. Hand-block drapery fabric complements the textured walls and creates a look that is warm and cheerful. Downstairs, a basement storage room was recovered and turned into a game room, guest room, movie room, and spare sleeping quarters. Our remodel raised the ceiling height and moved an interior wall to create a sleeping alcove. Painted wood paneling and additional lighting made the dark space feel brighter and finished. Large TVs and custom upholstery were added for easy sports viewing. Using commercial carpet and exterior fabrics, this space is practically indestructible. On game day, the space is packed with college athletes cheering on their favorite teams, all the while competing in rounds of darts or pool. In the backyard, we created a space for large groups by designing the hardscape and landscape to support various activities and create a circular flow around the property. By raising the ceiling in the garage, adding a cupola skylight, custom double Dutch doors, and carriage house garage doors, we turned a sad, dark, smelly garage into a fun indoor-outdoor game room for party days. Awesomely, it also still functions as a garage. In the yard, a seating area with a fire ring was added directly off the home's patio under a large elm tree. The lighted bocce ball court at the rear of the property is the family's favorite new playground. It is enhanced with string lights, silly custom signs, a barbecue on wheels, and an exterior TV for sporting events. From the toile print of George Washington on the dining room draperies to the wingback chairs and benches, this classic home is cozy, practical, and energized with patriotic personality. Stars, stripes, and bold American elements add a thematic detail and sense of fun both inside and out.